welcome to G2 Races. I am still in the trunk from my last video. Today we are going to continue working in the trunk. We are not going to look at rust today, but today instead we're going to look at how do you get the backlights out, the rear lights out. If you have a problem with the indicator or the brake light or something like that, how do you get them out? Because you can't get them out from here. It's impossible. And I have never had any problem with the lights before, but since I'm already in here, I'm thinking, let's do a video about how do you get in, because it's not easy. If you looked at the video from 2 days ago, 3 days ago, when I took out all the linings and the plastic compartments, we have to do all that again in order to get into the lights. And it's not a difficult job, but it is a time-consuming job. So if you want to change the lights, if something has broken, it will take you a little bit of time. So let's do a video now and see how you can do it as fast as possible. So let's jump down into the trunk and see again how do we do when we take everything out. The first thing you need to remove is of course this protectant device, and this is very easy. You have 4 Torx, 2 there, 2 on this side, and a hidden Phillips screw behind a plastic plug, and then you just remove this one. Inside the car you need to unhatch the back seat, because you need to get into 2 screws there. You have one fastener here. You remove that one. To remove the whole lining, first when I tried that, I thought that it would be very easy. The easiest way is to loosen this plastic compartment. You probably can do it without it, because you can get the lining out a little bit. But you see, the lights are pretty high up here. So it's inside here, and to work underneath like this, it will not be very comfortable. You have to be like an acrobat and very small, and I'm not an acrobat and I'm not very small. So on this side, first of all, 1 screw here. This one you really don't have to loosen, I think. Yes, you have to loosen that. This one, you have 1 there, 1 there. In here you have 2 screws in there, and the last one, let's see now, is, and here the last one should be. So in total it's 6 screws here, and when you loosen them, everything comes out. This one you can just pop out, because they have like 2 one metal, 1 plastic thing that just holds it in place. So you carefully like pop it out and don't break them, which I did yesterday actually. This one, it didn't release, so I broke it. Too bad. But up here you have the metal one, so it should hold it in place. Now we'll have to see if I can fix this in some way. On the inside here you have 1 more screw there, but after you loosen that, this whole thing slides out like this. And here we have now the inside, and as you can see, these are the 2 electric cords for the indicator and the brake light. Let's disconnect them and see how easy it is to get the light bulbs out. And also we will unscrew the 3 nuts here and remove the whole outer light, the whole plastic light cover, whatever you call it. Let's start with the electricity. The electricity and the light bulb, of course, have like we call it a bayonet hold, or whatever you call it. So you just take it, twist it, and you just pull it out. Look at that, and that is very easy to change the light. You just let it hang a little bit, and when you take the left indicator, same thing. You twist it, pull it out. Here you have it. Now we will take and unscrew the 3 screws and pull out the whole plastic cover and see what happens, and see how it looks inside. And of course, you use a number 10 on these, and I think it's very easy. Not they are not tightened very hard, and you can just unscrew them with your fingers. It's very easy. And now we have the fun part. I will try to push it out because, you know, they have a rubber sealant around here, so it's actually pretty stick to it. So, but I feel it moves. But of course, it's held in place pretty securely. But I need one hand on the outside and one hand on the inside, and just push it out. Now I have my left hand on the inside, and look this. Here it comes out, very easy. And no rust, dusty of course, as you can see. I mean, we have a big, not a big gap, but it's a big gap around. And then you have the big rubber sealant that try to make the dust and the water and dirt not come inside the compartment. I think I've cleaned this up a little bit, and then we're going to put this back on. Let's do a little bit of a close-up so we can see how it looks. It's a very simple construction. It looks pretty good, but it's very simple. And the inside, it's no rust or anything, just dirty. Well, let's clean it up with a little bit of hot water and put the rear light back in again and fasten everything. Well, this was all for today. Very short and fast video, I like it. I'm a little bit impressed by really how easy it is to change the light bulbs, because you have got room, you can change them. How easy it is to remove the whole outer, what do you call it, rear light. Very easy. The only thing that it takes time is actually to get in there, because you have to, well, remove quite a lot. But I realized one thing: you did not have to remove the plastic cover that is on the edge here in the back. Don't remove that. You don't need it, because you don't need to touch the lining. It was me, I was wrong. You only need to remove the 6 screws in the plastic compartment, and be careful with the grey plastic cover up here. That's the only thing you need to be able. You can move it out so you can get your hands in. Maybe, you have to remove the grey too. And yeah, well, this is probably faster to change it here than to change it in the front, because then you have to have super long and delicate fingers, and I have fat short ones. This was all for this video. Thank you so much for watching this, and I hope you like it. And please watch my other videos and like and subscribe if you like the channel. Otherwise, you can just say that you hate me. Goodbye, have a nice day.